Many of Toronto's most productive gardens are found on balconies and patios, and even the front porches. So if you have room for one good sized container, you have room to start gardening. For your first project, I recommend creating one beautiful container rather than trying to fill an entire garden. Choose a sturdy pot that's around 40 to 50 centimetres wide, with drainage holes in the bottom. Drainage is important because plants don't like sitting in waterlogged soil. Fill your container with good quality potting compost. It holds the moisture well while still allowing excess water to drain away, giving the plants the healthy root system they need. Now comes the creative part. Garden designers often use a simple formula called friller, filler and spiller. It sounds complicated, but it's actually very easy. Your friller is the tallest plant and becomes the centerpiece of your container. A compact ornamental grass or dwarf sunflower works beautifully. Around that, you plant your fillers. These are plants that provide colour and fullness. Petunias are an excellent choice because they flower continuously through the summer. Marigolds are another favourite, adding cheerful shades of yellow, orange and gold, while attracting those helpful pollinators to your garden. And finally comes the spiller. This is the plant that gently cascades over the edge of the pot, softening the container and giving it a professional look. For beginners, lobelia is one of the best choices. It has masses of tiny blue, white or purple flowers, which spill gracefully over the sides and continue flowering for months with very little attention. When you finish planting, water the container thoroughly until water begins to drain from the bottom. Place it in a sunny position and enjoy watching it develop over the coming weeks. One of the wonderful things about container gardening is that the pots don't have to be one season display. Think of changing them with the seasons, just like your wardrobe. During summer, fill them with colourful annuals such as petunias, marigolds and lobelia, and perhaps a few herbs that you can pick for cooking. As autumn arrives, replace the summer plants with chrysanthemums, ornamental grasses, colourful heathers, or decorative kale or cabbage for rich seasonal colour. And winter containers can be just as attractive. Small evergreen shrubs, dwarf conifers, holly, winter heather and colourful dogwood stems all provide interest through the colder months. Add a few pine cones or natural branches and you've created a festive display that brightens up even the greyest winter day. Then as spring arrives, your containers can burst back into life with cheerful daffodils, tulips, crocuses, grey hyacinths, primroses, violas and polyanthus. But instead of buying new pots each year, you're simply refreshing the plants inside them to celebrate each new season. It is an enjoyable creative way to keep your outdoor space looking welcoming all year round. And once you've mastered one container, you can always add another. And before long you can be surprised how much colour and enjoyment a few well planted pots can bring. Now we've created our first container, it's time to decide what else to grow. In the next section we'll look at some of the easiest vegetables, herbs and flowers that almost anyone can grow successfully. One of the biggest secrets to enjoying gardening is choosing plants that are naturally easy to grow. As beginners, we sometimes make life harder for ourselves by buying unusual plants that need constant care and attention. Instead, choose varieties that are happy in Toronto's climate, cope with the occasional mistake, and reward you with months of colour or delicious harvests. Remember, confidence grows with success. Every healthy flower or ripe tomato encourages you to try something new next year.